So here I'm going to quickly show you how to access some of the resources available in MyLabMath. So this is the course page. This is your home page. As soon as you enter your course, this is what you see. Now I want you to go to Video and Resource Library. Click on that. Let's say you want to find out all the chapters, all the resources available in chapter 2. So select chapter 2 and you can pick videos or PowerPoints, the textbook, but then if you want to find out everything that they offer as resources in chapter 2, then just go select all and find now. And you're going to see multiple videos. These are all the videos available, lots of examples. And of course you have the study slides if you're interested in that. And you also have the textbook. So these are all the resources available for you to use in chapter 2, for example.